Well, hi, and thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name's Jason. Let's take a look at our 2017 Nissan Micra SV. This vehicle features great options like keyless entry, Bluetooth, cruise control, and so much more. Starting with the front of the vehicle right here, you can see you get awesome halogen high beams and low beams. Down below that are going to be nice accents there for your air intake. You got a nice set of 15-inch steel wheels with hubcaps. And then, of course, you've got disc brakes in the front and drums in the rear. Nice body-colored accents to the door handles and the outside mirrors. And you can see nice black accents to all of the windows. And as we come around to the back right here, you got a beautiful rear wiper. And then, of course, great amounts of storage. As you can see right here, tons, and a nice 60/40 split folding rear seat. As we close up that hatch and bring around to the side right here, giving you a nice side profile of the vehicle, you can notice that your fuel filler is on the driver's side. Moving up a lot closer now, opening up the door, you'll notice right here that you have got all of your window buttons right there, including an automatic down driver's window, and then your lockout buttons just above that. Over to the left of the steering wheel, that's where your mirror adjuster is, and then below that your traction control and fuel filler and hood release. You get a nice 6-way manual adjustable driver's seat with great sport cloth styling. And then you'll notice that that styling continues into the rear. Now this door opens almost a full 90 degrees, making it easy to get car seats for children or elderly people in and out. And then of course as well too, it still looks fantastic. And these are great, nice spacious back seats. Sitting behind the driver's steering wheel now, on the left-hand side are all your audio system and Bluetooth controls. Right-hand side of the steering wheel hosts all of your cruise control functions. Left sticks for lights, right sticks for wipes, and then you can see this vehicle only has 20,947 kilometers on it as of this video, and we're just waiting for you to put on the rest. Over now into your entertainment and climate control areas right here. You can see right up at the top that you've got an AM, FM, CD, and auxiliary input audio system with 6 memory storages for those radio stations. Down below right here, you can see that you've got 3 easy dials for air direction, fan speed, and temperature, and then turning on your rear defroster will turn on heated outside mirrors. And then of course you have your AC button and then your recirculator function below that. Underneath there you've got your cup holders, and then that's going to be what your shifter looks like behind that. Little spot for storage and an extra power outlet. Up above here, you've got your rear view mirror. Just above that is all your interior lighting controls and your Bluetooth. That has been a quick tour of our 2017 Nissan Micra, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays. We're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name is Jason. Thanks for joining me here today, and we look forward to seeing you in the showroom soon.